got our pasta cut into lasagna sheets. So what we'll do, I've got a pan of boiling water on behind me, well seasoned with salt. We'll get these into the water just to start cooking. They should only take a couple of minutes. And I've got a plate here that's got some kitchen towel on just to help us drain off when we come to drain the pasta. And we're serving the pasta with a mushroom filling. So what we've got here is just some sliced mushroom with some shallot, and that's been sweated down in a little bit of oil with just a knob of butter, some fresh oregano, a squeeze of lemon juice, and just some fresh tomato just diced up just to go through there. So that's the filling that we've got for our pasta. So I'll get that on a trivet so that we can move that about. Let me just get a spoon so we can start serving up onto our plate. So we'll take a spoonful of the mushroom filling, put that into the centre of the plate. We'll just check on our pasta to see how that's doing. The pasta is very nearly cooked, so what we can do, we'll turn the pasta down and we'll bring the pasta across as well. And again, put that on one of the trivets. There we go. And now it's going to be a merry dance to make up our open lasagna with mushroom pasta as we go. So with any luck, I'll be able to get one of these pasta sheets out. We just drain it off on the kitchen towel. Can try and open it out a bit. It's extremely hot. There it comes. So we'll put our pasta over the mushroom there. Then we'll take our mushroom mixture, we'll put another layer of mushrooms in. And what we'll probably do is we'll probably just have three layers of lasagna for this portion. So if we can get one of these sheets out. It's quite tricky, you just need to be confident with what you're doing. Again, we'll just drain that on the paper slightly. We'll try and unfold it. There we go. And we'll put this on at an angle to the last sheet, so where the last sheet was square going this way, we put this so it's just slightly off so they form a diamond against each other. And we'll take the last of our mushrooms, some of it falling over the edge there. Make sure we get everything out of the pan, we don't want to waste any of that flavour. And we'll get our last pasta sheet. Here it is. Again, we'll just put it onto the paper just to drain it a little bit. Just get some of that water off it. Also just helps cool it down slightly so it's a little bit easier to handle. And we can take it and we can lay that across like that. Move the pasta water out of the way, and then we'll finish off by getting just a bit of parmesan, and we'll grate parmesan liberally over the top. move this out of the way. And finally, we'll finish with a drizzle of oil. And round and over the top. And there we've got it, our open lasagna with a mushroom filling.